Good morning. Welcome back to our class. Today is Friday, December 4, 2020. So Friday I spell Friday. So yesterday we talked about the water cycle. Today we are going to learn more about water. Okay, so water is important to human life. Water is everywhere. It makes up our oceans, lakes, rivers, seas, and even over half of our bodies. Water has three different types: liquid, solid, and gas. Okay, so water is very important. Okay, that is the common needs of our life. All right, class. So let's talk about the water cycle. So water cycle has three processes. There are evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Okay, again, there are three processes of water cycle. Those are evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Now, let's talk about evaporation. Evaporation is when the sun heats up water in rivers or lakes or the ocean and turns into vapor or steam. The water vapor or steam leaves the river, lake, or ocean and goes into the air. So this is how evaporation looks like. Okay, this one and this. Okay, so I want you to focus in this picture. So this is how evaporation looks like. Okay, so if you are boiling a water, you can see there is an air coming out from the water and from the kettle, right? So this air is called evaporation. Okay? So if you are boiling a water and there is an air coming out from the kettle, that is the process of evaporation. All right? Okay, so that is evaporation. And if you are looking at the ocean here, you can't really see the process of evaporation. You cannot see it because it's an air. Okay, so again, an air, you cannot see it, but you can feel it through the wind. So here, if this is the ocean, so the water just evaporates, it goes up and it will go to the clouds. So that process is evaporation. Okay, now let's talk about condensation. So condensation, water vapor in the air gets cold and changes back into liquid, forming clouds. So this is how the condensation looks like. Okay, so ice here. So if you are boiling a water, right, and the air comes out, that is evaporation. So if the air becomes liquid like this one, if it's cold already, you look at the cover of this one, if you take this out also, the cover of the kettle, if you take this out and it's already cold, there are waters of this cover of the kettle, right? So that water is called condensation. That's why there is a water droplets here. Okay? So if it's cold and there are waters here, that is called condensation. And here, from the ocean, the water goes up, right? And it stays in the cloud. So that is where the condensation is processed. Okay? So the water just stays in the cloud. Okay, so now let's talk about precipitation. So precipitation is the release of water from the sky. It can be liquid or solid. For example, rain, sleet, hail, and snow. So precipitation looks like this. Okay, it says here, for example, rain, sleet, hail, and snow. So I have here rain and snow. So if it's raining, If it's raining, that is the precipitation. And if it's snowing also, okay? So again, the water goes up, it is evaporation, and the water stays in the cloud. And if it's full already, it goes down. That is why the rain comes out. So that process is called precipitation. Okay, class? So rain and snow is example of precipitation. All right, so these are the water cycle. Again, from the ocean, it goes up and that is called evaporation. Okay, when the air turns into, when the water turns into the air, that is evaporation. And from the air turns to water, that is condensation. And if the water turns down, that is precipitation. Okay, kids? All right.